Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Smile and wave, boys. Smile and wave.
Hi, I'm gonna go hiking.
Alright friends, that was my trip into El Yunque National Rainforest about a week ago. The holiday season has been hectic, and I didn't get a lot of videos out, but I am back today with the promo set giveaway. And I have a God pack here that I'm gonna open up. I'm gonna rip it while I spin it. Spin the wheel. That is, fingers crossed you get to win, friend. Let's do it. And it Oh my gosh, that's excruciating. Sorry if you were one of those last few people. The winner is at Luke09113. Luke, all you have to do is email me your proof of account ownership and your address to CassieCornerGiveaway@gmail.com, and I will send you your wonderful promo set. All right, friends, I just want to say Happy New Year to everyone. Thanks for 400 subscribers, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.